Hi, in today's video, I believe this is the most detailed and comprehensive tutorial on Coinbase available on YouTube. I will use a dual screen setup to demonstrate all the features I like and use at specific times. Whether you prefer using the mobile app or the web versions on your computer, I guarantee you will find it easy to understand and follow along. So, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you step by step through using Coinbase, the only cryptocurrency exchange listed in the US. If you are new to cryptocurrency, this video is for you. I will cover everything you need to know about Coinbase, from registering on the exchange and completing KYC to using fiat to buy and sell cryptocurrency and trading on the spot markets. I will also explain how to participate in the Coinbase lower risk financial products and demonstrate all these steps for you. So for anyone investing in cryptocurrency, I personally think it is important to choose the right platform first, then decide on your strategies, and finally pick the coins you want to invest in. As the only US listed cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase is secure due to strict financial legislations. It is also very user-friendly for people in the US, Canada, and Europe, allowing easy and fast transaction with fiat currencies like USDC and USDT. And also, if you are into other coins like Dogecoin, Coinbase Wallet is a great tool for exploring the blockchain world. However, like everything, Coinbase has its pros and cons. While it is safe, compliant, and convenient, it only supports spot trading. It doesn't offer derivatives or other advanced trading options, which may limit some profit opportunity. Let's quickly review all of the Coinbase features. Many beginners think investing in cryptocurrency is similar to investing in stocks. Most stock exchange allows you to trade stocks or futures using derivatives. However, cryptocurrency exchange, including Coinbase, offer various functionalities, making them versatile tools. So the key features covered in this video include sign-up on Coinbase and completing KYC verifications and enabling Google two-step verification for added security. Besides, I will show you how to easily buy and sell cryptocurrency like USDC with fiat, and also deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency, and also where to view your account overview, assets, and order detail. We will also cover how to trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin on the spot market. And lastly, I will introduce Coinbase Earns, which many people are unfamiliar with. While crypto investments are often seen as high risk, high rewards, there are low risk, higher opportunity too. I will focus on how beginners can earn passive income with minimal risk using Coinbase Earned. So to get started with Coinbase, go to their website, which is coinbase.com, and click sign up. So the registration process is straightforward. Enter your emails and personal information. Also, remember to set out the password as strong as possible and just follow the prompts. Enter your phone number. Just enter the security code you receive in your message. You have to select your citizenship and complete your KYC verification. Also, the process is really tricky, so just answer all the questions ask you to do it. There are lots of questions you need to answer, so just be patient, answer them all. So here, you have to complete the KYC verification in order to complete the setup process. Click on verify your identities. Please also remember that you can't use all of the Coinbase service until you finish KYC. So just choosing your ID type and upload your ID, wait for approval, and you are ready. And from here, it is important to notice that Coinbase supports countries in North America like US, Canada, and also Europe, including but not limited to Denmark, Finland, Greece, Ireland, Monaco, UK, Sweden, etc. And in Asia, they only support Singapore users to use Coinbase. Note that you can only buy, not sell in Canada and Australia. After verifying your ID, you should enable Google's two-factor authentication for security. Heading to setting and then click on security. Then here you can see that two-factor authentication setting, and here you can link your email and phone number and set a login password. The more security measure you take, the safer your account will be. So you will see that I have already set up all these two-factor authentication for my account security. Once you finish the security process, hover over your profile and click on setting, which is here to add a payment method. Click on payment method here. Click on add a payment method. You can see that here you can link the bank card or PayPal. So for bank card, you can add either Visa card or MasterCard, and whatever it is, credit card or debit card. So just click on that and enter your card information. But usually the payment method is prompted to be added once you have successfully registered. As we can see here, after adding your payment method, you can start buying crypto by clicking the buy and sell button. For here, you can select in the crypto and the amount. Like for example, I would like to buy 20 pounds Bitcoins, and then click on reviewing your orders. And please remember that there may be a daily limit. So for here, it is 4,400 pounds worth of Bitcoin daily. And on Coinbase, you can use fiat currency to buy cryptocurrency directly and also deposit cryptocurrency from other exchange or wallets into your Coinbase account. To do this, hover your mouse over the send and receive button in the top right corner and click on it. Then select cryptocurrency you want to deposit. deposits. Now we are on Coinbase cryptocurrency deposit page. Depositing and withdrawing cryptocurrency is similar to depositing and withdrawing money in traditional banking. It is not difficult to carefully follow the instructions and double-check the detail during the transfer. First, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Generally, we use USDC because it is equivalent to the US dollar. After selecting USDC, you need to choose the transfer network, click on network here. So we usually use the Solana network because it has lower fees and faster transfer speeds. As we can see here, it is 0 transaction fees. So click on that. So once you've selected cryptocurrency and the transfer network, a deposit QR code and address for USDC on the Solana network will appear. Simply copy this address and paste it into the withdrawal address field on the other exchange or wallet to deposit USDC via the Solana network into your Coinbase account. Think of the cryptocurrency as similar to using USD, Euro, or British pounds for bank transfers, and the network as choosing which banks to transfer to. So next, let's demonstrate how to withdraw cryptocurrency from Coinbase. So on Coinbase, withdraw option just next to the receive. So click on send here. So the process is similar to depositing. Since we deposited USDC on the Solana network earlier, so select USDC and select the network, which is Solana as well. Then just enter the address you copied earlier into the withdrawal address field. So for here, it is crucial to match the cryptocurrency and network for those deposits and withdrawal. If you deposit USDC using the Solana network, you must withdraw USDC using the same network. After verifying everything, just click on preview send and confirm to complete the withdrawal. So next, let's take a closer look at spot trading on Coinbase. Move your mouse to the bottom navigation bar and click the Advanced button to find the spot trading option, which is here. Click to enter spot trading. Spot trading involve buying and selling cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum. It is ideal for those bullish on Bitcoin or Ethereum who want to buy these cryptocurrencies, hoping to profit from future price increase. The goal in spot trading is to buy low and sell high, and since there is no leverage involved, you don't have to worry about liquidation risk if the price drops. When you enter this page, it may seem complicated if you are a beginner, but if we break it down, it is quite simple. First, let's look at the top left corner where it says Bitcoin versus USDC, indicating the Bitcoins to USDC trading pair. USDC is the pricing unit, meaning you can sell Bitcoins for USDC or buy Bitcoins with USDC. To the right, you will see the current price of Bitcoins in USDC and some 24-hour trading information for Bitcoin to USDC pairs. That's the first session. The second session is the central area with candlestick chart. You can switch between different time frames to reveal various candlestick chart. Most traders use this chart for their trading decisions. And then you will see a red and green section to the right with the current Bitcoin USDC price in the middle. This area is the order book, a crucial component of a centralized exchange. Red represents sellers and green represents buyers. Where you trade on this exchange, you are trading with other users, not the exchange itself. This exchange matches buys and sells orders from users to facilitate trades. And also on the right side of the order book, red indicates the price at which people are willing to sell Bitcoins, and green shows the price at which people want to buy Bitcoins. And here, the middle shows the current market price of Bitcoin. So above this, there is a search area where you can look for the cryptocurrency you want to trade. For instance, if you search for Ethereum, you will see various trading pairs like Ethereum versus USDC and also Ethereum versus Sol, Ethereum versus Link. But generally, we select USDC. This means you are reviewing the Ethereum USDC trading pair. Click on it to enter the spot trading area for Ethereum and USDC. So moving to the right side of the screen, you will find the action area where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Spot trading includes limits and market order as well as stop limit orders. Limit orders allows you to set a specific price to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. For example, if Ethereum is $3,702 and you want to buy 0.01 Ethereum when the price dropped to $1,000, you place a limit order. So just enter 1,000 and type 0.01 Ethereum. Once you convert, just click on buy Ethereum and the order will be placed. And then a market order means buying or selling at the current market price. For example, if the current market price is $3,704 and you think it is a good price, you can quickly buy Ethereum worth $10 USDC at this price. So just enter the amount and click buy Ethereum. So the transaction is complete instantly and you now have Ethereum worth $10 USDC in your account. As we can see here, it is that simple. Selling works the same way. You can use limits or market orders, but I usually prefer market orders for their immediacy, even though they may have higher fees. So market orders ensure your trades are executed immediately, preventing missed opportunity. To sell, select the market options and click on sales. Then now you can click on mass and then click on sell ETHs, then you will successfully convert your ETH to USDT. So lastly is stop limit order feature. For this feature is similar to limit orders but is based on specific conditions. For instance, if we want to set a stop limit order to buy 0.01 ETH when the price drops to $1,000 and the trigger price is $900 and you're willing to buy 0.01 ETH. So for here, you are setting a conditional order. This order will be executed automatically if ETH hits the specific price, allowing you to manage your trades effectively. So now you know how to use Coinbase spot trading features to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Next, let's talk about Coinbase financial features and how beginners can easily earn passive income using these tools. First, let's go to the Coinbase earn page, which is here. Click on here. The layout is very simple. At the bottom, you can see all the supported cryptocurrency for earning interest. For example, if you hold USDC, you can click on it to see how to earn regular interest. So click on it, you can see that for USDC, the APY, which is interest, now is 5.15%. So click on start earning, choose the first one and click on save change. Then now we can see that our 12 USDC is earning right now. If we want to buy more, just click on buy more and then just enter the amount you want to buy. For example, like 20 pounds. When you just confirm all the detail, just review the orders and the USDC will automatically start earnings in your earn account. So for earn page, users can easily see how they can earn money with the cryptocurrency they hold by looking at this list. This straightforward approach lets you place your crypto into Coinbase earns and earn passive risk-free income. So if you are a beginner and know you're comfortable with trading, I suggest using Coinbase earn to generate some profits first. Once you've earned some returns, you can use those profits to start trading, which may be a safer way to get started. That's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Enjoy trading and see you in the next one.